Hello, hi sixth grade. I hope you guys doing good so far. And in this video, we're going to talk about the cardinal numbers, and we're going to start with that one. And this is the grammar and cardinal numbers. It is very important. Let me tell you this. It is very important to speak, to know how to pronounce the numbers because we use it almost every day. When we want to pay for something, we get. When we want to buy something, when you go to the store, you use numbers. You say 5 quetzales, 10 quetzales, 20 quetzales, or 2 quetzales, or something like that. And then how much do you pay for something, for an object you get? For example, maybe I pay for this one, or it costs, how much does it cost? Maybe 4,000, maybe 3,000, or I don't know. And then remember, we use it numbers almost every day. And then we need to pronounce good so the people can understand us. Okay, so let's see this one right here. So the numbers, so let me tell you before we read these numbers, let me tell you, you need to remember this one to separate thousands, to separate thousand and million with a comma. What is the comma? Right here, you see the numbers right here. We got 2,976. So the comma is right there. 50,000, we have the comma right there. 2 millions, we have right here. We have 2 millions and the comma, the comma. So please, and another thing, you see this diagonal sign. We call this one in here diagonal sign. And then you see the letter A and 1. It is the same thing, means 1, okay? 101, or you can say 101. But please do not repeat both at the same time, like 101. No, that's incorrect, please. So take a look this one, the diagonal sign right here. It says 1. So don't pronounce it, just 1. 1,000 or 1,000. For me, my personal, it's good to pronounce a. 100,000, 100,000. Reason right here, 100,000, 100,000 or 100,000. 1 million or a million. Okay, and then please, this number right here, let's repeat this one. Already know these numbers, 1, 2, 3, but take a look how is it right, how many letters it gets, how many letters the word. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then let me remind you this one too, like this one, 11, 12, 13. Remember 13 to 19, we use in at the end, okay? And then don't get confused with 15 with 50, okay? And then let's read this one, 12, repeat with 12, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 or 100. Remember that one. 101, 200, 1,000 or 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 100,000. It is more easy to pronounce like with a 100,000, a million, 1 million. Okay, so this one right here, 500, 528, 2,976, 50,439, 39, 2 million, see the comma, 250,391. Okay, so what are you going to do in this page? You need to write this one, write the word, the numbers, words. So what does that mean? You need to do like this in here, okay? Remember, you need to write using letters, okay? So that's all you need to do. And also you need to go on the next page, on page 217, on your English book, 217. What are you going to do? You see this one, it says diamond ring, motorcycle, car, sailboat, house, small jet, and it has a price on it. How much this house costs? How much does it cost? 557,698. And this one, 3 million. 3 million. And this one right here, 8,426. Yes, that's cheaper. And then sailboat, how much is it cost? 11,000. Yeah. Okay, and this one, this is cheap. This nice motorcycle, and it costs 2,319. And diamond ring. So please, when you do this, what you need to do? It says write the prices. Ask him or her, but you need to do it alone. Please follow the model. How much does the bracelet cost? How much does the bracelet cost? It costs $895. So this is the answer of this question. Okay, so please, you need to do the same thing. How much does the diamond ring cost? It costs 12,432. So please, when you write the numbers, this one, what do you need to do? Just write this amount in here in letters. Okay, so write it down right here. Same thing right here, same right here. So the same with the car, with the sailboat, you have the price right there, and then but you need to write it down, okay, in letters, this price. Okay, so that's all you need to do on this part. Okay, we're gonna go on the next grammar. Okay, so this grammar is going to be about conjunction, reason, and result using because and so. So we're going to use this one. Remember, we use so to show a result of something, and use because to give a reason of something. Reason. Well, maybe something is happened to you. You need to give someone, or you need to give the reason why you didn't do your homework. So you can say, I was sick, so I couldn't do my homework. The result of that one. So I couldn't. Because I was sick, that's why I couldn't done with my homework. Okay, so remember this one. And then let's watch a short video about this one too.
Guys, today's lesson is about using because and so. They both help you talk about a reason for something. Use because and so to make longer sentences. You can use because to link things together. I am hot. I was running. I am hot because I was running. I was running was the cause. I am hot was the effect. Another word for cause is reason. Put the reason for something after because. In these sentences, the effect will be yellow, and the cause or reason will be green. We will put them together with because. It can fly because it has wings. I am sad because it is raining. He can't play because he is busy. She likes cars because they are fast. In all of these sentences, the reason or the cause comes after because. There's also another way to talk about cause and effect. You can use the word so, but you will switch it around. You will put the reason for something before so. So here we see the same sentence. I am hot because I was running. Now we're going to switch it and use the word so. I was hot, so I am hot. See, you can use the word so to link things together too. Again, the cause is going to come before the word so. So in these sentences, it is raining, so I am sad. It has wings, so it can fly. He is busy, so he can't play. Cars are fast, so she likes them. See, in all these sentences, the cause comes before so. And that's it today. Now you can do your homework. You can practice using because. Good luck.
Okay, guys, so like I said, you need to do this page 221. What are you going to do in this part? It says write the reasons or results for the actions. So you need to read this one. I was satisfied because. Why you're satisfied? I was satisfied because maybe because my teacher was helping me out. They are hungry, so they have to find a good restaurant maybe. So please do this one in here in your English book, and then please do this one in your notebook, please. And then these 5 pictures, you can see this picture right here. It says with the partner use because and so to talk about the reason and results for these actions. What do you think they are? But please do it in your notebook and do it alone. What do you think they are? So this girl right here, what do you think she's doing it? She's reading, she's studying. So why does she study right now? Because she's going to have a test tomorrow. And then please do this one. It has to be 5 sentences in your notebook, English notebook. And also you need to go on page 231. Please go on page 231. And you need to do the same thing. It's going to be about 231. You see the number, and it has to be about conjunction because and so. Remember, because reason so results. My mom was mad at me because I broke her vase. So results. Ellen was sick, so she didn't go to school today. So what are you going to do? Join the 2 sentences using because or so. They didn't study hard. They failed the test. They didn't study hard, so they failed the test. So you need to rewrite this one right here. So I can't speak German, and you need to write it down if it's because or so. Okay, remember in the middle of the sentences you need to write it down. You see the point right there, the point. So you need to write it down if it's because or so. Okay, and also you need to do this one right here. Complete the sentences with because or so. You need to complete them. So we have the example right here. Is they were both lunch because he was hungry. He was hungry. Why? Because he was hungry. Okay, so that's all you need to do, guys. And thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this video will help you a little bit to do those pages. And please, when you're done, send it to me, mail to me, okay? And thank you very much, guys, and I hope to see you soon in the next video.